welcome back to my channel. It's Braylon here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use props. So, in order to use props, it's very simple. All you have to do is pretty much just one line of code and you've got it. So, let's just get on with the video. Please leave a like if this helped you at all and if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you guys join the episode crew. So, let's just get on with the video. First, you need to do is you need to go on to the right side of your screen and you want to click on the props button, and you have a whole bunch of props to choose from. So for me, I'm going to choose this hairbrush. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to do add and then the name of your prop. So I'm going to do this hairbrush. If you want to, then you're going to write 2 and then your character's name. So my character's name is Luke, so we're going to write Luke. And there you go. That's all you really have to do. I'm just gonna make this little scene, and yeah. So I'm all done now, so let's go ahead and preview it to see what it looks like. And that's it. So now if you want to remove the prop, all you have to do is once you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and where you want it to go, where you want to write at remove and then the name. So mine was hairbrush at remove and then the name from down to your character's name. So I'm just gonna do one little tweak. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like. We'll do it from right here. So as you can see, after he brushed his hair, the hairbrush was gone. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like once again if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload a video and you never miss a tutorial. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.